Low airflow restriction. Pleated paper filter. Highly durable and reliable. Mesh support screening. Easy installation and maintenance. Wix Air Filters remove soot, carbon, abrasives and contaminants from the air before mixing with the fuel. They are made of pleated paper and are placed inside a plastic box which is connected to the throttle body. These filters are highly durable and can be easily installed. Top reviews from the United States. Cheaper than automotive stores. Got this at a sweet price. Area I live in, they charge around $20-something for this. Filters arrived on time and the install was a cinch.